Handa na ba kayong tangkilikin ang kagandahan ng bulaklak na nailalagay sa mga lona o canvases? Kung oo, ating tangkilikin ang Floral Art Competition na nagginanap sa ating Ibaguio Creative Village.
Mula alas 7:30 ng umaga hanggang alas 12:30 ng hapon, mahigit 15 kalahok mula sa Baguio City ang nagpakitang gilas sa kauna-unahang Floral Art Competition. Gumamit sila ng iba't ibang bulaklak, natuyo at sariwa bilang kanilang pangunahing materyales sa kanilang 20 by 30 na canvas o lona na inilaan sa kanila ng Baguio Tourism.
We really want to celebrate lang po kung gaano po kamalikhain yung mga taga Baguio as we are a creative city.
Maaari rin silang gumamit ng dahon, baging o vine, tangkay ng bulaklak at protective sealer upang maiwasang kumupas agad ang kanilang mga artworks.
This competition, we are required to use fresh and dried flowers. So, binili ko lahat sila sa ating market, sa Baguio City Market. And then, I purchased some from Shopee. And the others, I actually used recycled materials. The mask that I used there is from my daughter's prom. So, naghahanap ako ng gagamitin sa bahay. And yun, it's also important to be, being creative in what we use instead of buying. We can use what is already available in the environment.
Inanunsyo rin ang mga nanalo noong alauna ng hapon, kasabay ang mga nanalo sa Mother and Child Flower Crown Competition. Si Angela Lagipo mula sa Ambyong Central ang nanalo bilang second place na may kaakibat na 5,000 peso cash prize. Riza Ernesto naman mula sa Mines View ang nanalo sa first place na may 7,000 peso cash prize at si Camille Yvonne Agulto ang nakatanggap ng 9,500 peso cash prize bilang Floral Art Competition Champion.
Key highlights, I would like to highlight the yung division po ng life to the fresh flowers to dried flowers. It symbolizes rebirth, which is of course the dried nga is death, of course no hope, and then above it, which is umiiral yung fresh flowers, which is life. And I would just like to say that it's entitled Rebirth of Beauty, because here in Baguio, we're known for, of course, the flowers, panagbenga, and we're known for having the most, fresh air. So I would like to highlight that. And of course, I would like to say na yung wildflowers, everything weren't bought. Everything was just picked in our newly opened, what do you call this, park, sa Bayan Park. Yeah, so the pine trees, the pine needles were picked from there. Tapos everything is just purely wildflowers from here sa Baguio. That's all.
Nakatanggap pa rin ang lahat ng kalahok ng Certificate of Participation bilang pagkilala at pagpapasalamat sa kanilang husay at talentong nagpamangha sa mga bisita ng Old Diplomat Hotel.
Desa Joy Peralta para sa Herald Express.